spoon, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Shove it in.
Shove your stuffing in. The wheel hole. Get it in there. Get in there. Get in there. Ah, we got a routine now. Get it in there.
Stoofed.
Huh?
Pack that stuff.
Pack it in. Well, you don't want, you can't have it in packed in too much because then it won't cook right.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to loosely pack it.
Look at that stuffing. Mm. Look at that turkey.
Right?
Is it good?
Yep.
Turkey done. Well, not done
You don't
yet.
have to watch this, Pops. A lot of people